Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Slaves of Darkness Exalted Hero of Chaos for Warhammer Age of Sigmar. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this model, and I'm really excited to open this up and have a look inside. I have not even looked at the back of the box as I'm filming this video, so it's kind of going to be a total surprise to me as far as what is entailed with this model. I am curious to see if we get lots of options, or is it just this one static build? I'm hoping there's many options. I'm hoping. Here's to hoping. So let's have a look at the back of the box. It is one Citadel miniature. Oh, we got different head options. Yes, there's different weapon options. He even gets the big shield, or, ooh, yes, I'm in. Oh man, with all these new Chaos models coming out for pre-order, it is exciting, and man, I am feeling the draw of the Slaves to Darkness. So many great looking models these days coming out for these Chaos faction, and yeah, very cool. Now I gotta find my way in here without cutting myself with my trusty rusty blade. It's actually not rusty, but it is trusty. All right, let's have a look. Let's have a look at my new Chaos Exalted champion. Exalted Hero of Chaos, excuse me. It looks like he is one frame. It is a one frame model. Nothing else in the box. So we get one base. Looks like it's a, what, a 40 mil base. Instruction booklet. Exalted Hero of Chaos. Very nice. Yes, you can do two options. Sword and shield, or two axes. Helmeted or unhelmeted. Helmeted. Yes, very cool. Looks pretty straightforward to put together. Got the options with the heads, and I'm sure you could probably find other heads in the miniature line to swap out, but I mean, why would you want to swap out that big bell of a helmet? Instructions are not terribly complex, as the model itself is pretty straightforward. It's a single frame. Most of the plastic is taken up by his cloak and the shield. It's a nice, big, chunky body on him. Very cool. The dual axes, the sword, his big old shield. I like this little bit here with the chains and the skulls. That bit's kind of cool. Again, with all these models and the way they're all designed, I'm sure it's easy to swap out parts for this and that to really kind of customize up your models. I like when the models have more modularity to them, so that the torso is separate, the legs are separate, the arms are separate, the heads are separate, right? And that way you can do multi-poses. It's not too difficult to get into different poses and modify the models to your liking. And yeah, I think that's really cool. So, Exalted Hero of Chaos, unboxed. There it is, up for pre-order. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this model. Big thank you to my patrons. Without your support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below. Be taken off to a magical website called Patreon, where there are various tiers of support. And a huge thank you to all my patrons for their continued support, as well as all you brand new ones. Take care of your brushes. They'll take care of you. And I will see you in the next unboxing. Or useless review. Maybe a painting tutorial. Fresh tips. Just a tip. Who knows? Maybe a painting live stream. Maybe Way of the Brush live stream. Maybe, just maybe, even a battle report. Who knows? But either way, I will see you out there, and take care.